Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 17.
Did you take the SD card?
Yes, I did. Alright y'all, so we are about to walk out the house and be on our way to the airport. I look like a kid going to school. Like, I look like a 4-year-old going to school right now.
Why a 4-year-old?
Because that's how I'm looking right now. With my blue book bag, even though it's a TARDIS book bag, but you know, whatever. So yeah, we're about to walk out the house and then we'll be on our way to the airport. Alright guys, so we're at the airport. We made it through security and everything. Alyssa and I got some pizza, and when my mom comes back, I'm gonna get some Jamba Juice, and we're just gonna sit here and wait. But it looks really pretty outside, so
Does it though?
it does. I'm talking about the lights and everything. I find beauty in that. It looks really pretty outside to me. What's on your face? Beauty. But yeah, I will see you guys later when we're on the plane.
With Dwayne.
I was on the plane with Dwayne. Hey guys, so it is a couple hours later. I'm trying to upload my Vlogmas Day 16 right now. I knew it was going to take a while because we're at the airport, so I'm not mad about it taking a long time. But I just wanted to update you guys because we do board in a couple hours, so yeah. I will see you guys on the plane because I want to take a nap. I'm so sleepy.
Check your carry-on luggage. If you would like to do so, please see me here while you're boarding. Thank you.
Finally boarded the plane. I'm trying to be like quiet because the plane is quiet, and I feel like if I'm talking loud, that's heavy. So like, yeah. Finally boarded the plane. We're in our seats. Are you excited?
Oh. It still has, I don't think it's set in yet.
Yeah, no. I'm still like, it's not set in. I feel like when we take off, that's when it's gonna be
like when we went to Florida, I was like, yeah, we're going to Florida. I don't think I've like done that yet.
I feel like it's gonna set in like once we're there. Yeah. Like once we wake up and we're like, like we're here.
We're at our house.
Yeah. I feel like that's
Those
when it's
customers
gonna
that
set
are
in.
joining us,
Yeah, so I'm gonna see you when you guys take off because
overhead bin spaces are filling up, so if you do need, please make sure that you do try and open.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
finally made it, guys. After 5.5 hours of sitting on our butts, we finally made it. Guys, this is our first time back here in so long. And I feel like it's more exciting because it's a surprise trip. It's probably a vending machine. They had a benefit one in the one in New York. Yeah, I feel like it's more exciting now because it's a surprise trip. And yeah, I'm so tired. I didn't sleep the whole flight until like basically the end of the flight, which was like an hour. So yeah, I'm pretty tired. Alyssa's wide awake, but I'm sure as soon as I hit the bed, I'll probably be wide awake. Homegirl behind me was snoring. Hey guys, so it's the next day. We're at IKEA, trying to kill time. And yeah. Okay, so we're in IKEA and we saw a really nice kitchen setup before. It was like really, really nice. It was like black and white, but like done nicely. Cause you know, some people do black and white and it can look like a mess. But yeah. We're looking at another kitchen setup. This is bigger than our kitchen. The stovetop is nice. That's a really nice stovetop. The side-by-side doors.
Like nothing.
But yeah. That's a nice living room setup. This is smaller than our living room though. Our living room is like so big, you guys. Like you guys only see part of our living room in my videos. Our living room is actually so big. Like it's crazy. Guys, this setup is so nice. This is actually the first time. Is this the first time we've been inside of IKEA? I think this is the first time we've been inside of an IKEA.
Yeah. In a while.
But this kitchen is nice. It's very homey. I feel like they set this one up like an apartment style. Yeah. Yo. Yo, you should have seen. Do it again. All I saw when I was coming this way. Hold on. Do it again. That's all I saw. This is all I saw when I came around the corner. I didn't even fully come around the corner. And then I just saw you.
Away from mommy.
Mommy, look at Alyssa. But yeah, guys, they set this one up kind of like an apartment. Ooh, this mirror is cute.
I would love to have an apartment. Like,
This mirror is so cute.
maybe like for a year. Just to like.
Here's a bedroom setup. It's really nice. That light is cute.
Then I'm coming back home.
Bro, I said, Roberto and I were talking about it one day and we were like, I would want to try it out for like 3 months and then come back home.
Can you get on the 3 month lease?
Yeah. Here's the kitchen again.
This one good.
Did a little living area. Hey guys, so this is Alexa from the future editing. I realized I did not end today's video, or continue it for that matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and say thank you guys for joining me today. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Watch the next video that I uploaded today. Subscribe to my channel before you leave. And become a part of the True Beauty family. Did you see them together? And hit the notification bell. Did I say comment already? Comment down below. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow.